My name is Nasir Ashor. I am with Reodor, which is an innovation studio working with creating, building and accelerating products and services. We are a proud partner of Charge. We've been that since the beginning. Today we have about 15 ambitious founders of their own startups. And the mission today is to have entrepreneurs understand the potential in working at a high pace with innovation.
Today in this workshop we're gonna have a look into how you can develop something quickly so you can test it on users. Mainly being a prototype that you can bring out to your potential customers and get feedback. We're gonna have a look at how we deal with food in everyday life and all the pain points that's connected to that.
Health issues, allergies, any diseases that you have.
Breakfast, you want to make lunch or you want to make dinner?
You can buy more than one thing. You can choose lasagna and quinoa.
So the first thing we're going to have a look at is how you can develop a prototype very quickly so you can start to gather insights into what your customers might need. So we're going to move quickly through identifying a problem, start generating ideas, and then wireframing it and prototyping it. So for example, when we're doing wireframes, we have a wonderful opportunity to gain feedback very quickly. So wireframing something for an application that will help you eat more healthy. People that have allergies, for example, can give you valuable insight.
We create something to make their life easier and to solve a problem.
By showing them the wireframe that you've drawn up, they can tell you, well, I want to be able to add my allergies in a more quick way, or they might want to see if they're browsing different recipes, they want to see what kind of allergens are in the different recipes.
Throughout the remainder of the Charge program, we have quite a few months left, and we can work more in depth with the startups and helping them in parts of that process that they want to focus on. So yes, we're once again proud to be part of this and hope that we can create an impact.